welcome to a brand new episode of the Forex Market Analysis. Raymond Opoku here once again with the weekly market analysis. I hope you had a good trading week last week. Last week was superb as all the three forecasts went as expected. Let us do a quick recap of what we had on the watch list for last week before we come on to what we have for this week. So on the watch list for last week were the NZD CHF, the Euro NZD, and the NZD card. I was expecting a bearish movement on the NZD CHF once we went below this trend line and this pivot level, and it occurred throughout the week. Same story in the opposite for the Euro NZD, as I was expecting bullish momentum once we went above this very downtrend line, and it occurred as expected. For the NZD card, it really took a while before it came around. It first broke below the support of the ascending channel, retested it as new resistance before falling to end the week on a very bearish note. For this week on the watch list, we have the Euro CHF, the AUDJPY, and the NZD-USD. For close to 4 weeks now, the Euro CHF has been very messy. The price action of the Euro CHF has been super choppy, so there hasn't been much to do on the Euro CHF. Whilst within the confines of this very messy price action, the Euro CHF remains neutral. The price action signifies that of a divergent market structure. So for the Euro CHF to find direction, it really needs a break below the support of this market structure or above the resistance of this market structure. As price is near the support of the market structure, I'm more slanted towards a break of the support for bearish momentum to set in. However, this very level can also be tested for bulls to take over for a while, but then while still within the confines of the market structure, there wouldn't be much to do on the Euro CHF. The next pair to look at for the coming week is the AUDJPY. Since November, the AUDJPY has been on a bullish run. The bulls have been in control for that long. I'm afraid that is about to change throughout the coming week, and it will only change if the AUDJPY manages to go below this very uptrend line. While still above the uptrend line, the AUDJPY remains strongly bullish. So then a break below the uptrend line, which is currently acting as support, or even a break below the uptrend line and retest of the uptrend line as new resistance, would call for more bearish momentum. The last pair to look at for the coming week is the NZD-USD, which is currently trading in an ascending channel. The NZD-USD has been on a bullish run for quite a while now, but then the last 3 weeks has provided us with an ascending channel to work our way around with. Within the confines of the ascending channel, the NZD-USD remains bullish. A break below the support of the channel could mean bearish momentum for the NZD-USD, whereas a break above the resistance of the channel would mean even strong bullish momentum. For all the forecasts for the coming week, stay cautious of false breaks as usual. And on the fundamental side of things, from Monday through to Wednesday, the interesting thing to look at will be the Bank of Canada's interest rate decision, which will be affecting the Canadian dollar. And on Thursday, there's heavy news coming up from the Eurozone, where the European Central Bank sits down to discuss its interest rate decision. This one would also be affecting the euro pairs. So that is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you next week.